Hello folks, a very warm welcome to another programming video. In this video, we are going to perform the mathematical operations on numbers in the basic language. By mathematical operation I meant addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In order to start, simply just open your basic program and we are good to go. So first, to add two numbers we just print the sum of the numbers like as we did here, the two numbers 1 and 2, and their sum is being printed. You can also see the output here which is 3. Now, subtraction, it is also same as the addition but instead of the plus sign we simply use the minus sign between two numbers and we got the output, which is 2, and is correct. Time for the multiplication part, just as same as the subtraction and addition but only we use the asterisk and we get our output, which is 6, and is correct. The last one is the division operator, which we use by just simply putting and slash after the number which has to be divided by the other number. We got our answer which is 3, and is correct. Great! We have successfully completed our mathematical operations in the basic language. In the next video we will discuss some logical operators in the basic language. Thanks for watching. And also do not forget to subscribe the channel for updates.